A one-day seminar on National Education Policy NEP 2020 was held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association organized a seminar for teachers and students. Rajya Sabha MP Leshemba Sanajoba, President of All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association, Doren Khanganba, and Joint Director of SCERT, Jim Tingujam, attended the program. Manipur People's Democratic Alliance MPDA convener Murangthem Danabir today expressed concern over the current trend pertaining to resignation by MLAs in the state. These MLAs are misleading the electorate, Danabir told media at Manipur Press Club. He was also apparently angry against the government for allegedly giving more emphasis on electoral politics and voting matter rather than the coronavirus pandemic. Times of Manipur Television English news anchor Haripriya Tongbram has been crowned the Iowa India Popular Queen of Universe 2020. The pageant was held during online survey. Haripriya has also won the title of Miss Photogenic Iowa India and Brand Ambassador Iowa India in 2019. She is also former Miss Manipur. Center for Love and Care Club, Kurai Nandaibam Lekai in association with Social Standard Club, SS Club today sanitized the premises of the two clubs and the surrounding areas today. Face masks and hand sanitizers were distributed to the club members. The sanitization drive was carried out under the initiative of Center for Love and Care Secretary Sandrembam Daneshwari. The proscribed Pripak has condoled the death of its Lance Corporal Ningthojam Langamba alias Lakpa Mitay of Hairok Part 3, Litan Wangma on October 17. He was 26. A press release signed by Publicity Officer of Department of Publicity and Propaganda, Pripak, Achoba, also extended solidarity to the bereaved family. Western Pantoibi Club organized a program to felicitate newly appointed President of Hockey India, Gyanendro Ningomba at Angtha under Andro in Imphal East today. Boyo Private Limited today signed a contract with Kaino Library Sports Association, KLASA Football Club at Hotel Classic. Boyo Private Limited has agreed to sponsor KLASA FC with Rs 50 lakh for one season. In its yet another successful test, the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile was successfully test-fired today from Indian Navy's indigenously built stealth destroyer INS Chennai, hitting a target in the Arabian Sea, Ministry of Defense said. The missile hit the target successfully with pinpoint accuracy after performing high-level and extremely complex maneuvers, Ministry of Defense said in an official statement.